What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on this crypto called Marlin, also known as Pond, which has pumped up over 20% in the last 24 hours and currently trading at just over 2 cents. So we're going to be looking at what is next for the crypto, why is it pumping so much, and mainly focusing on, is this a crypto to be investing into right now? Is it too late? Or if you're on a profit, is it time to sell it? Or should you just keep holding on to it before it pumps up even higher, potentially over the coming days, weeks? And also we're going to go for its prediction for the whole of 2024. What can we expect from the crypto? And also covering short-term traders as well. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. And yes guys, we are at a critical point right now. It has officially broken out from the red zone into the green zone. So we're going to be looking at what is next for Marlin, but for now I'm just going to hide this and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Marlin, which is here in purple at 0.01652 cents. However, the crypto is trading at a much higher value here in green at 0.02230 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and better than expected. However, that could also mean that it is slightly overvalued, so it could be potentially getting ready for a little bit of a drop, but we'll be focusing on that later on in the video. So for now, let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction, and they are looking quite steep as well, meaning this is not realistic. Again, the only reason why it's looking so steep is because of the major pump that's taken place over the last couple of hours here. The graph thinks that the crypto is going to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace. However, that is not the case. So essentially, towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I am expecting Marlin to have taken a little bit of a step back in value, dropping down to around 2 cents in value is where I'm expecting the crypto to be trading at in the early hours of tomorrow. However, that does not mean that it's going to start dropping in value right now. It is likely to pump up a little bit higher than where it is at the moment over the next couple of hours before it slowly starts to drop back down later on this evening. And in the early hours of tomorrow, down to around the 2 cents target is what my expectations are. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days we're still looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction, and we are still looking slightly steep as well. So over the next 7 to 8 days, by mid next week, so over the next 7-8 days, guys, I'm expecting Marlin to be trading just above the 2 cents target. So essentially, it is likely to go for a price correction over the coming days, dropping below the 2 cents target to even 0.018 cents, somewhere around this price range, before it slowly starts to gain value back up to over 2 cents in value by mid to end of next week is what I'm expecting. So do expect quite of a wave, drop down and then peak back up in value. So it's going to be quite volatile, but from where it is at the moment, an overall drop is expected. However, it is going to be an increase in value from the next few days because it is likely to go for a price correction prior to that. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Now we're looking way too steep, guys. We've got the blue and the orange line looking very bullish, very positive, heading upwards. However, due to the fact that the graph is looking way too steep, it is not realistic. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, guys, mid to late March 2024, I'm expecting Marlin to have gone through an overall increase in value. However, that is after it goes for a price correction, as I mentioned earlier on in the video, dropping down to around 0.014 cents over the coming days, weeks as well. before it slowly starts to gain value. Heading over the 3 cents target is where I'm expecting Marlin to be trading at in early to mid March, and potentially getting closer to the 4 cents target by late March and April. We should be seeing it heading to the 4 cents target is what my expectations are at the moment. So bringing on the Fibonacci scale here, we can see we are officially in the green zone. However, as I mentioned earlier, it is likely to drop back down into the higher level of the red zone here next to the resistance target before it breaks out into the green zone again over the coming weeks, and potentially breaks out from the green zone as well by February March time, heading into the dark green zone and potentially heading into the top tier level here by mid-year is what I'm expecting. So in Q2 of 2024, we should see Marlin heading into the top tier level here, depending on how the crypto market performs, and to be specific, how Bitcoin performs, as that's what drives the market in a positive and negative direction. So what I'm going to do now is go into the CoinMarketCap website. Here we can see the trading volume has gone up over 380% in the last 24 hours, making it $38 million in trading, which is again a huge increase. Again, reason for that is it is one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours, or even the top gainer according to Binance. So let's quickly have a look. Yes guys, it is the top gainer in the last 24 hours according to Binance. So it is getting a lot more attention, a lot of hype around it. So more and more people have started to trade the crypto from both buyers and sellers point of view, which is of course increasing the trading volume, and in return helping the value of Marlin pump up higher than where it is at the moment. So far so good. However, as I mentioned, it is likely to go for a price correction over the coming week before it slowly starts to gain value again. So yeah, this is my take and my prediction on Marlin, guys. As mentioned in the thumbnail, can this crypto hit the 10 cents target? Yes, it can. However, it is going to take a while. Potentially towards the very end of the year is when I'm expecting Marlin to be heading near about the 10 cents target, or it could be delayed to early next year depending on how the crypto market performs with crashes and pumps and bull runs or anything like that. But that's why I'm here, guys, to keep you guys updated on a daily basis on what to expect and what to predict. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.